Good morning, students. Welcome to you in e-learning classes of Standard 8. It is organized by Modern English School, Nevada. I myself, Revti Raman, mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. Students, today I shall discuss with about sales tax, and VAT. VAT means value added tax. In sales tax or VAT, the selling price, the final selling price of article is increased, whereas in discount, the selling price of an article is decreased. VAT or sales tax nowadays GST always reckoned on, always charge on selling price. So one question of exercise 10C. I shall solve exercise 10C. Question number 1. The list price of a refrigerator is rupees 14,650. If 6% is charged as sales tax, ST, find the cost price of the refrigerator. Here list price LP is rupees 14,650. LP rupees 14,650. Now find sales tax ST. Sales tax 6%. So 6 by 100 of rupees 14,650. 0 to 0 cancel. Now 5 to the 10 and 3 to the 6. Now 5 times 5 to the 10, 4 and 6, 46. 5 9 ja 45, 1 5, 15, 5 3 ja 15. Now 293 multiplied by 3. So 3 3 ja 9, 3 3 ja 9, 9 3 ja 27 of 7 carry 2. 2 3 are 6 plus 2 8. Rupees 879 is the sales tax. Now the cost of a refrigerator. So therefore CP equal to list price 14,650 plus rupees 879. Add it 0 plus 9, 0 plus 9 9, 5 plus 7 12 of 2 carry 1, 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 8 15 of 5 carry 1, 14 plus 1 15. Rupees 15,529. Answer. Understand and write it. Students, next question is question number 3 of exercise 10C. Tanvi bought a watch for rupees 1,980, including VAT at 10%. Find the original price of the watch. So let the original price be rupees X. Let the original price be rupees X. So according to question, x plus 10% VAT, so 10 by 100 of x equal to rupees 1980. 0 to 0 cancel. That implies x plus x by 10 equal to rupees 1980. That implies, taken LCM 10, so 10x plus x 11x equal to rupees 1980. That implies x equal to rupees 1980 multiply 11 by 10 by transposition change into 10 by 11. One 1980 divided by 11. One time 11, 88. 11 8 ja 88 and 0 equal to rupees 1800. Answer of this question. Understand and write it. Students, next question is question number 5. Karuna bought 10 gram of gold for rupees 15,756, including VAT at 1%. What is the rate of the gold per 10 gram? Suppose let the rate of gold per 10 gram be rupees X. So according to question, X plus 1% VAT. So 1 by 100 of X equal to rupees 15,756. That implies X plus X by 100 equal to rupees 15,756. That implies, taken LCM 100 plus x, 100x plus x equal to 101x. $15,756. Now that implies x equal to rupees 15,756 into 101 by 100 by transposition change into 100 by 101. So divide it. 101 divided by 15,756 divided by 101. Where divide? 101 15,756 56. 15,756. One time 101. 7 minus 1, 6. 5 minus 0, 5. Cancel. 5. Now 5 times 5. 505. 0. 6. Cancel. 6. Now 6 times 606. So cancel. Equal to 15,756 divided by 101 by 156 times. So equal to rupees 156. So 15,756 divided by 101 by 156 equal to rupees 156 multiplied by 100. So 15,000, 6,000 is answer of this question. Understand and write it. Question number 8. The sale price of a TV set including VAT is rupees 27,000. If the VAT is charged at 8% of the list price, what is the list price of the TV set? So let list price be, let the LP be rupees X. According to question, X plus 8 by 100, X plus 8 by 100 of X equal to rupees 27,000. That implies X plus 8x by 100 equal to rupees 27,000. That implies taken LCM 1 and 100 is 100. 100x plus 8x equal to 100. 8x equal to rupees 27,000. Now x equal to rupees 27,000 multiply 108 by 100. By transposition change into 100 by 108. 25 for the 100 and 27 for the 108 and 27 times 27,000 divided by 27 equal to 1,000. That implies rupees 25,000. Understand and write it. Students, next question is question number 10. Malti bought a VCR for rupees 19,980. Rupees 19,980 including VAT. If the original price of VCR be rupees 8,500, find the rate of VAT. So here LP is rupees 18,500 and CP rupees 19,980. So BAT equal to CP minus LP. Rupees 19,980 minus rupees 18,500. Subtract here 0 minus 0, 0, 8 minus 0, 8, 9 minus 5, 4, and 9 minus 8, 1. Rupees 1,480. BAT percent, that means rate of BAT, equal to BAT into 100. 1,480 into 100 by original price, that means LP. $18,500. Pencil. Now 5 times. 1,480 into 100 by 18,500. 1 0 to 1 0, second 0 to second 0. Now 5 times. 5 3s are 15. 5 3s are 15 and 5 7s are 35. Here 5 2s are 10. 5 9s are 45 and 35 6 are 37 8 is 296. So 8% is the answer of this question. Now homework is solve exercise 10C. Students, today your homework is solve exercise 10C. Thank you. That's all.